Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Her Moonlight, chapter 18. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Gu Xingying and Fu Shiyu. The two of them wake up early next day. Fu Shiyu was calling Gu Xingying elder sister. It seems that she is the one left in the room, and Gu Xingying was not there when she wake up. Now, Xiaoyu, what's wrong? Gu Xingying said to her. Turns out, she came out from the bathroom. Well, she seems to be worried. Now, she already come back to her senses. Suddenly, Fu Shiyu grabbed Gu Xingying's hands. Well, maybe she was really afraid when she woke up she is not there with her. Well, this girl, she was really sweet. It seems that you didn't sleep well last night. Gu Xingying said to her, why don't you take a break today? She was asking her to take a leave for today. Looking at her, she seems to be so sleepy. But Fushio resisted and said no need. Today, I will practice hard for the rebound paifa style. Oh, she was really hard working, right? Now, it was Gu Xingying. She looks really worried about her. She put on her effort to massage her head so she can able to relax down. But of course, this girl, she is really happy. Sister, it's nice to have you. Oh, now, she was really good at coaxing people. She even praised her and so happy that Gu Xingying was theirs. Now, Gu Xingying said to her, sleep for a while when you are sleepy. Still, she looks really sleepy and also she looks really tired. But Gu Xingying was looking at her. Now, she seems to be falling down. Gu Xingying said to her, I will drive slowly so she can able to sleep well on the car. Suddenly, she opened her eyes. Well, she got closer to her. Now, what is this kid thinking again? It seems that she's going to tease her. But she seems to be sleepy. Turns out she wants to kiss her gently. Now, Gu Xingying suddenly blushing. Well, she was really tricky, right? Even though she really feels sleepy, but she can tease her so much like this. After that, she back to sleep. Well, it was Gu Xingying who's looking at her. Still, she was blushing her face. Well, she didn't even know that this girl is really tricky. After a while, the two of them already arrived on the studio. Good morning. Now, Gu Xingying was training Fu Shiyu and to help her doing stretching. Well, Fu Shiyu said good morning. Also, Gu Xingying. It seems that they're getting better. But also, when she looked up, it was her friend who was screaming. Whoa, why shall you have a happy with the dark circles under your eyes? So it turns out she really can't sleep last night. That's why she's having an eye bags. So what? I drink the milk tea that you recommended yesterday. It was so great that my eyes open all night until dawn. So it turns out the reason is the milk tea. Well, she was really tricky, right? I told you not to try it. Don't scold me. Don't scold me. I'm just curious. That's why she really tried it last night. Well, what a good child she is. If you have a high center of gravity, the main leg will shut down a little farther. Now, it was Gu Xingying. She was really serious about teachings. But, looking at it, she was looking at Fu Shiyu. Fu Shiyu, she seems to be in a different mood right now. She was practicing slowly. It caught attention of Gu Xingying. Spraying, Director Gu has been looking at Xiaoyu when she was guided us. Gu said no, she loves her so much. Well, it was Fushiyu's friend who's talking. Suddenly, right now, Fushiyu, she becomes shaky. Well, maybe since she really did not fall asleep well last night, that's why her body is really shaking. Now, it makes sense. She fall down on the floor hard. She was hissing. Of course, it was really painful. Looking at her feet, it seems to be swollen. Now, it was Go Singing who rushing her. Girl, she was dashing through to be able to get her closer. Well, looking at her face, she looks really worried about Bushiyu. Well, based on her personal experience before. Of course, back then, she really suffered a lot when she got injured also. Why is so swollen so badly? Go Singing said to her. Now, she got really worried. Well, it seems to be serious, that's why it was really swollen. But now, looking at Fushiyu, who's singing, she seems to be serious and said, "I'll take you to the hospital." Well, she remembered her fuss, that she's been neglected hers, and now it costs her a lot. And remembering those things, of course, she got really worried about Fushiyu. Now, Fushiyu said, "No need, senpai." No, Fushiyu, she don't want to go to hospital. Who's taking care of her? When she stood up, still, she was shaking. Of course, it means that the wound is really serious. Also, she need to go to the hospital. Since Kusingings knows that she would rejected her, of course, Fushiyu said to her, again, she carried her off and just want to bring her to hospital. But Fushiyu, she really want to restrain herself. "I will take Xiaoyu to the hospital, and please help me and Director Tang." Fushiyu's friend said, "Okay, let me." Since Gu Xingyin is really serious about this matter, she carried her rashly. Two of them will go out and put her on the car to be able to go to the hospital. Well, let's see. And let's hope there's no serious problem about her foot. Now, singing, why are you so nervous that to extend like this? Fushiyu was asking herself. Of course, maybe she really remembers what happened to her last time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!